This is a message to the people of Iran by Benjamin. Benjamin ne Iran me people sena message achimni abi heaven ngai tu anau se. Ni zan nai tante ya Israel ni Iran aka mi thong pang kan ban thai 24 hour chunga ram libak aka ti mi ka kan van mu mi se. A message heaven ngai tu anau se.
Tonight I wish to speak to you, the proud people of Iran. We're in the midst of one of the greatest military operations in history, Operation Rising Lion. The Islamic regime, which has oppressed you for nearly 50 years, threatens to destroy my country, the State of Israel. The objective of Israel's military operation is to remove this threat, both the nuclear threat and the ballistic missile threat to Israel. And as we achieve our objectives, we're also clearing the path for you to achieve your objective, which is freedom. In the past 24 hours, we've taken out top military commanders, senior nuclear scientists, the Islamic regime's most significant enrichment facility, and a large portion of its ballistic missile arsenal. More is on the way. The regime doesn't know what hit them. They don't know what will hit them. The nation of Iran and the nation of Israel have been true friends since the days of Cyrus the Great. And the time has come for you to unite around your flag and your historic legacy by standing up for your freedom from an evil and oppressive regime. It has never been weaker. This is your opportunity to stand up and let your voices be heard. Woman, life, freedom. Zan, Zandegi, Azadi. As I said yesterday and many times before, Israel's fight is not with you. It's not with you, the brave people of Iran, whom we respect and admire. Our fight is with our common enemy, a murderous regime that both oppresses you and impoverishes you. Brave people of Iran, your light will defeat the darkness. I'm with you. The people of Israel are with you.
Okay, tu tana valai thong pang kan zau tika boi ngai lungre thai ngai in hi valai pi he chiu se. Tuan deu a lai mi zong ni kan ro me chu President Trump he president se la koram te pol si zonga ral tuk nak te pol he chok ma lo ti zong kha kan rachim mi samasala ni chana President Trump president avan tin tak tika zaida kan hu 24 hour chunga daina kasal la ti mi zong chu sar khol heilo ni tiang zau tika Ukraine le Russia zong azwal ma chin mang chon Ukrainian president asami Zelensky he hoi hao ane ton liu zonga khan oval office ane ton liu zonga biarak chim mi chu Putin ni chan ak respect tuk ti mi ka achim asana te in tlompala Putin he appointment beru na nei ding in an nei ko liwa meeting dang arak nei khen mi zong kha hu se chuni alang tar mi chu Putin ni hin a khel ti mi kha alang tar mi se Trump chan zonga kavan chim du mi chu atu bantukin Ukraine le Russia ka lok zonga abui chin adai tar kho le lo ti kha kan hu proof pakhat na apani na ka ne nia Iran le Israel zong he ka do na avan chok than chem ko van chim du mi chu he atu liwa han President Trump sla se lo hi bantuk do na khe hi ti dir hun hin van se ko se lo lai mi cheu kha zong ne kan chim chan ha ding mi chu President Trump se la hi thil chok ha lo ti zong an ti kho men mi kha se ma te chu ni hin thil dir hun he pe parent from party kan lang tar du ta atu tani he ka hen Benjamin achim mi van zau te ka di ka point zai da city chun Iran ni nuclear threat atu mi le ballistic missile ti mi kha ban to kan threat chi point na an to mi kha remove to nak ding cha real nak ding cha kham nak ding cha tin khan atu tana hen Israel ni hen batak ten he focus in hen avan thut mi se ti mi kha alang mi se chuna bia chim ni point pathi na ka kan van thai ding mi che Iran atuk ti kan Iran rampi he a hot di tina kha asalo ti mi zong kha kan van thai chi ding ba pi ngai chon Israel cho Iran dum anai ai kham kholai ti zonga kan ro men lai saman se lo Israel ni hen I kham na he phun thum anai chun ha cho zaida city chun Iran dum cho short rank I kham na ase chu ko chun David Sling ti mi he middle alai malak tiang kham khau tu ase apathum na kham na system cho arrow system ti se ma long rank e kham na ase e atu Iran ni aman ka tika ani kham kho lo na aruang cho Iran ni hin hriam nam phundang deuh kha ballistic missile ti mi ka phan chon khaban to Iran dum te pol ni akham ti tikka news ni alang term ni nga chun akham lo nak zon te ban tuk kan ti lai ma area sport ban tuk phun phai ti kan lut in kha avathi kho chem ti mi kha ase e chu dir huna si ro ma ne ni chana Israel ni hin Iran ni avan ka mi kha ai kham kho lo nak totally in ai kham kho lo nak se chu kho chun atu ban tuk in kham na ase mi he totally 100% in a kham kho thu lai ti nak zong ka asalo ti mi zong kha an van lak tar ri mi ase e ma chu ni hin valai pdm hun ase valai pdm hun he zau tika US ram long selo ka kip harna khe tur chin lang mang ase Gaza te pol zong kan zo asia atu Israel an ka cho ma mi zong asia Iran te pol zong asia an ram an khopi a ro ning van zo tika hen chupol vial te athar in van sar san thanap din cha hen tangka adi tak ding he ase valai pi he boi chin lang mang ko chandong nak anai chin lang bang ti mi tu kha lang tare chandong la chan Israel he ram kip ni an kul lai chun kul tika chan ram chu ban to ram nen kul tika chan chana dong deng mang chang ti mi kha mel chut na asalai tika chim mi se bible cha chunga alang tar mi Persia chu nen ni chani Iran he ase nen ni chana atu ban tuk in threat nak avan liwa hen China zong ne atu warning avan pek ti mi zong kha van mu ase ma cha chu nen ni news avan chang mi ase US ni nuclear Iran nuclear kong he boi ngai ngai me se Trump zong ni deal to ding en avan tilang mang na te ne somruk luan chang ne somruk la ni khat baka atu ban takin Israel ne thut mi se e pakhat deuh chunga news pakhat deuh chunga alang mi chu Trump ni hin aka ha Iran he ti kha se chalo se chan Iran ni hen zaitim han in deal tak to lai van ti han atu du ding he asalok ti mi kha acheu khat analyze atu mi pol ni an ro ning ase chon Iran ni nuclear atu cho ma mi pong san jong ka an lang tar mi chu zautika hi aman sual asia chun hi avan to aman sual asia chun valai pi cha ti nong tuk chu cha chun US zong hin Iran he aran na in action ala ka tha ko lai ti ya ro na news le in analyze atu mi pol ni chin mi zong ka u me kan valai pi zai da lo lai ti mi he chon ko na se zol ma chin le do he pen do kan sa ko na se set chu violin